Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily play a Fortnite event. First, make sure your game is completely updated to the latest version. This is crucial for accessing new content. Once updated, navigate to your main game lobby and look for a dedicated event tab or banner. You can also check the Discover section for specific event modes. Remember to keep an eye on official Fortnite channels for precise timing and participation instructions. Each Fortnite event features unique objectives, so carefully read the in-game instructions or watch official guides. You might need to collect a certain number of items, eliminate a specific type of enemy, or complete a series of challenges. Some events are team-based, requiring coordination with up to 3 other players, while others focus on individual skill. Adapting to these rules will greatly enhance your enjoyment and progress. To maximize your chances of success, team up with up to 3 reliable friends. Communication is key in many event scenarios. Adjust your graphics settings to ensure smooth gameplay, especially during large-scale cinematic moments or busy combat. Prioritize the event's unique challenges over standard gameplay objectives, as these often contribute directly to your progress and rewards. A well-planned approach makes all the difference. Participating in Fortnite events typically earns you a variety of exclusive rewards, which might include unique skins, emotes, pickaxes, or even V-Bucks. Make sure you meet all the specified criteria, such as reaching a certain score or completing all event challenges, to ensure you qualify. Rewards are usually automatically added to your account, but always check your in-game locker after the event to confirm your new treasures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.